This is Udom Suk. I'm just going to put the escalator to show you. So there's a little thing right there that says 1 Udom. Then I think that this place has some decent priced condos. It's a little bit removed, but it's on the BTS line. So, and for some reason, when I was looking at different stuff, I think there might be a bigger supply here, maybe. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Here maybe, but I saw that there was a more variety of condos here too. And I remember doing another one a long time ago, and I walked all the way up and down that skyway, all the way down. So okay, let's kind of see what's around here a little bit. Looks like I have to go into go down that way. Let's see. So a Suk, Udom Suk. So it's quite a ways down. So let's just see. Apartment for rent. Originally I was going to walk around and look for places that maybe have condos. I bet that one might over there. EDO, Mobi. I think that these are a little bit pricey though, because if they're so close to the BTS that they're probably going to ask for like 5 or 6 million baht. I can't imagine that would be less than that. Yeah, all these condos up there look kind of interesting. Anyways. Okay, so this is Udom Suk. And we were just up there a minute ago. There's the BTS. So it looks like there's quite a few amenities here. And the way that that skyway goes all the way down, I think it goes all the way to Bang Na, kind of makes me think that maybe in the future this might be more of another central part, because there's kind of it's kind of built up in a nice way. And this actually looks like it could in the future. There's a nice tree. But some of this stuff could be turned into more like walking street, you know, pedestrian street where you can walk up and down. Although this looks more like a parking lot with no cars. Okay, Udom Suk. So it looks like there's a lot of amenities, shopping. It's on the BTS. It's easy to get to different places as well. Lots of beautiful things. Good too. Station. Oh, market over here. So you could walk all the way down. See all kinds of cool stuff. But I'm more interested just to see what's around the station. So I just want to walk down a little bit further. This one's pretty big. Yeah, this is like an area that you probably live in it and have all your amenities. There's condos everywhere. One of my friends was telling me, look at all those condos, wow, so many. One of my friends was telling me that you have to be careful with some of these condos, because you might buy it and then they might not put any money into maintenance at all. And then you might be up on the 15th floor and they might not maintain the elevator. He kind of explained it to me in a way that that sometimes you know, like as a place gets older and ages, less people have money to maintain the building, so they just might let it go completely. So if you're way up there on the 20th floor and something like that happens, you know, you might be out of luck. There's a lot of condos here. Jeez. Wow. Buy, rent, sell. There's a lot of condos here. I think I saw this Ideo Mobi somewhere. We're just gonna go into one and just talk to them, and I'll give you some feedback later. Probably gonna go into this one. So right out front here, I see this one, City Home has all these things. So we're gonna try to go into their office and just kind of see. Maybe they have a list of all kinds of stuff around here. And I'll just give you the lowdown afterwards, information later, if I can find the right place. Gonna walk around a little bit and find something. If that's not the one, we'll find something different. We'll go into that main office over there. Just find out for this particular condo then. Oh, this is interesting too. I saw this in other places in Bangkok. So if you're doing like Airbnb, it's not a hotel, it's for residents. So, okay. I guess you have to list everything, right? Well, anyways, let's go inside and find out. So this one is a studio, 2.2 million baht. So there's a small couch, big bed. Let's just take a look at all the facilities. This one is where the kitchen is at. And then you'd have this view of the BTS. It'd be right at the BTS. Might be kind of interesting location. Kitchen has a lot of light. And then there's also a bathroom, so we'll take a look at that too. It's actually not too bad for 2.2 million baht. So, okay. Let's turn this one off. So, we'll just look at a few more. There's some rooms for rent, a little place to wash your clothes too. So actually, interesting. So I was able to see a room, 2.2 million baht. Yeah, Udom Suk might be interesting. I should explore more, but I'm kind of learning a lot through it, and I might have to do a little bit of research later and just see what all the different things are around here. But yeah, at least now I have an idea, and I think that was probably a smaller place, but well worth seeing. So I think I went into this one, so I would have been up there a little bit. Yeah, somewhere up there. Okay, so this is Udom Suk, and we just went to a condo unit. Take a look.